Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this Mi Air Purifier 3C. So this is an air purifier, smart air purifier by Xiaomi. You can actually connect it to your Mi Home so that you can control it through your phone. But let's take a look at the features of this. So it says you can filter up to 330 cubic meter per hour particles CADR. So the efficiency is around 106 square meter per H, and it comes with true HEPA filter, and it also has smart sensors and auto mode, app smart control, and is ultra low noise at 31 dBA when at night mode. So this also works with Google and then Alexa as well. And then what else does it say on the box? Else, so some features here that's already mentioned at the front of the box, so on and so forth. So this color is white, and then supports Wi-Fi BGN 2.4, and the gross weight is at least around 5.7 kg, and the rated power is 29 watts. So nothing else here. Also, fresh air and smart control. True HEPA filter captures up to 99.98% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. So PM 2.5, pollen, dust mite, smoke, pet dander, germs, mold, spores can all be captured. And this is the HEPA filter itself, so you can actually buy this to change it after 6 or 12 months, and it actually is, I believe, the most expensive part of this air filter itself. So I think it's, so this air filter is around, now I think it's 300 ringgit. You may get it cheaper during sales, but the HEPA filters itself is already like a replacement cost like 150 ringgit, so yeah, it's not cheap. And then this comes with 3 layers, so primary filter, true HEPA filter, and then a high quality activated carbon filter. So without further ado, let's take it out itself. It's a very simple packaging. So let me just put this down here so I can take them out. So throw this away, and you're greeted with this plastic bag also. Just drag it out, and yeah, you're greeted with the fan itself. So there's 2 buttons here. Let me just pull this thing out again. So now that it's out, and you typically have some manuals and books inside, but this is a used set, so nothing here. So this is the filter itself. You can see it's quite tall. I have a IKEA Kallax or the Alex table there. So this is for your scaling. Looks decent if you place it on the floor. Let me just put it backwards again. So that's all. You come with the plug here, 2 pins plug, and then there's an air vent here, so it sucks air from here down here from all the 4 sides. As you can see, you have all ventilation holes here. Sucks air from the bottom and then blow it outwards through the filter and then blow it outwards. And then I will have 2 buttons here, so this is to cycle modes, or even turn it on, I think. And then this is for Wi-Fi and sunlight. So if you want to connect to your Wi-Fi, you just have to hold these 2 buttons together for like 3 seconds, and then you can try and connect it to your Mi Home. And then you have a circle display here, so this is to display your air quality. The lower the number, the better. I'll show you later on. and just to show you your Wi-Fi connection and modes. And then you have a fan here, which is very quiet, I would say, very efficient. And also as you can see, the power efficiency is very good, like 29 watts. Then you have buttons here on both sides. This is to take the upper portion out, and I'll show you on later. What is interesting is this thing here. So this at the back here, we have a laser particle sensor. So this is to check your air quality. It will test the air, whether if there is too much dirty stuff, it will display high numbers in the front. I'm not sure if we can take this out though, but yeah. Anyway, I want to show you how do you take this fan out and then look at the filter itself. So you have to crack these two things up, and you can take it out. And this is the inside of it. So you can see the massive fan there, just positioned in the middle, with this thing to seal it off, and maybe for some vibration absorption. And then this is actually the most part of the air filter itself, and then the rest, and I'll show you later. It's just this. So this is just a housing for the filter itself, and then the filter looks something like this. Primary filter here is just an aluminium, and then it goes into the HEPA filter, and then inside we have all the black things, which is the activated carbon filter. So this thing is actually the most expensive part, in my opinion, of this filter itself. And it says you can use up to 6 to 12 months, and then you can actually record your starting dates here. What's interesting is that this starts with the Chinese says start, year, month, and day, or the English starts start date, month, day, and year. So yeah, this is interesting because every country, I mean, I think in China they start with year, but then in the US it starts with month. But then in the rest of the regions it's mostly start with day. So that's interesting. And then this is just the housing itself, so you can see some dust here because I have been using it. And this is just pretty much it. It's just an housing for the filter itself. So let me just put it back. So you just need to put it back like so. In any orientation. And then you just need to match this of the fan itself to this part, and then you can put it downwards. There you go. Very simple setup. Now let's just try and connect it to the power. So I have it connected now, and I'm going to try and power it on for you guys to see it. So now it's power on now. As you can see, there's a number and red lights are going on it, so I think it's saying that the air quality isn't that nice, I believe. And then you can see the fan is spinning very quietly. Now this is a low speed mode, so let me just try and cycle through it so that I can give you an idea. So yeah, you can cycle through 3 modes, and as you can see, you can go to the outdoor, night mode, or sleep mode, I guess. And then the hardship mode, I think that's a love mode, I don't know. But that's for air quality. So if you go into that mode, it does spin up very fast and loud until you can see the whole body of this machine vibrate a bit. In most time you want to leave it in auto all night when you sleep. So that's about it. And then this is for the brightness control. As you can see, there's 3 levels of brightness. So this is the brighter itself, and I hope you guys can see it. And then it's green color now, it's showing the air quality is good. And you can also connect it through your phone. So this is my Mi Home here, and then you can see this is displaying the same number here, 3. Then you can also turn it off, turn it on. You can leave it in auto, night, or the manual mode, which gets loud here, so I'm going to return it back. So it also tells you that your filter is time to change. So like mine is remaining at 0%, but then I have to change it. You can schedule power on and off, notification sound, just let me turn it off. And then you can, the three levels of brightness there, parental control and device malfunction alert. So yeah, overall I think this is very good if you put it in a small room or even a small living room. And then I think it should theoretically help in terms of the air quality. Hopefully it does help you sleep better. I can't really feel anything, but then it does makes you feel like you have a high quality of air, and then hopefully it helps with your lifestyle. So that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share my video if you find this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.